Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. Before we get into this, the link to grab the Dyson Supersonic Nural at the current price is right below in the description. Grab it now while the deal's live. Here's the quick version. This is Dyson's smartest hairdryer yet, using built-in sensors to automatically protect your scalp, remember your styling preferences, and even pause itself when you're not using it. Currently rated 3.8 out of 5 stars from 80 reviews, with over 1,000 bought in the past month. If you just needed the bottom line, this is genuinely one of the most intelligent hairdryers on the market, though the rating is a bit lower than most premium Dyson products, so it's worth knowing that upfront. Now let's get into why. A network of neural sensors runs throughout the machine, automatically activating intelligent features to optimize your styling routine without you having to manually adjust everything yourself. Scalp Protect mode automatically adjusts air temperature to maintain a target of 130 degrees Fahrenheit at your scalp, keeping close-up drying comfortable instead of risking heat damage. Attachment learning is a genuinely unique feature here. It recognizes each attachment you use and remembers your preferred airflow and heat settings for it, so switching between attachments doesn't mean resetting everything manually each time. Pause Detect knows when you've stopped styling. If no motion is detected, it automatically switches off the heater and reduces airflow, then reactivates the moment you pick it back up. Capsule Illumination changes color based on your current heat setting, so you always know exactly how much heat you're using, and the clear end cap lets you actually see Dyson's technology working inside. You get 3 airflow settings and 4 heat settings, ranging from a fast 212 degree setting down to a constant 82 degree cool shot for locking in your style after drying. It comes with a solid attachment set, the wave and curl diffuser, gentle air attachment, styling concentrator, flyaway attachment, and a wide tooth comb. At $379.99 with the current discount, this is a premium hairdryer, and while the current 3.8 star rating is a bit more mixed than most Dyson products, the sensor-driven automation genuinely sets it apart from standard hairdryers. Links below if you want to grab this. That price won't stick around forever. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.